Come on, Horace. You just need to hold your breath a little longer. 57, 58, 59, 1 minute. Have the hiccups gone?
I'm not sure.
Alice, Brian, and Cherryberry just couldn't think of anything that could cure Horace's hiccups.
Who would like a sweetie?
Oh, can I have one, please?
Me too, Brian. Here you go, Horace.
Then something remarkable happened.
Hey, can you hear that?
What? I can't hear a thing.
Horace the horse has stopped hiccuping. You've cured him, Brian.